Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just can't stop. I'm thinking about this, how this could be more useful. So this is part 3 of this rotation. And because it was just bugging me that we could rotate this square 11.97 degrees. And big deal, you can read it. So you could take this one and rotate it 11.97 degrees. But if you had a lot of them to do, you could take your attribute eyedropper like we did before. It's already set on rotation. And I can take a sample of that and I can just click on each one of these and rotate it 11.97 degrees without having to type that in again. So maybe that's a more useful, I don't know why you would do that anyway, but maybe a more handy deal for the attribute eyedropper. That is pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.